In this video, I will show you how to create this amazing interactive chart in Microsoft Excel, which display you the total value, the actual value, the percentage, and each and everything in a much interactive way. For example, this is my actual value. If I change the actual value to let's say 75, everything dynamically update. Even if I change my target to let's say 60, hit enter, everything dynamically update. So how we can create this chart in Excel? I will show you each and everything in this video. Consider I have this data sheet. The first thing we need to create these 3 helper column, and I will show you the formula for each and every column. For actual percent, simply type equal. Click on actual value, divide by target value, hit enter, and now simply drag this formula down. Now if the value is not in percent format, click on number format and simply assign percentage format. For the max value, I will simply type 100%, hit enter and drag these value till the end of my data sheet. For the data label, simply click on F2, type equal, click on subject, in this case A2 and percent, quotation mark space, quotation mark again and percent, and now type text function, open parentheses. For the value, I will click on B2, hit comma. And for the format, I will simply type quotation mark 0.0, quotation mark again, close parenthesis, and percent, quotation mark, divide symbol, quotation mark again, and percent. And now simply write again text function, open parenthesis, click on C2 value, hit comma, quotation mark, 0.0, quotation mark again, close parenthesis, and this is the entire formula for our data label. Now I will simply hit enter and drag this formula till the end of my data sheet. Now our table is ready for chart. The first thing, I will simply select column add data sheet, hold control key and simply select actual and max column. Click on insert recommended chart. In this case, I will insert this bar chart and simply hit OK. The next thing, I will simply remove the chart title and also delete the legend. Click on horizontal x-axis, right click format x-axis, and we need to define max as 100%. So I will simply define one value. Now you can see our subject are in opposite direction as per my table. So I will simply click on vertical x-axis, and here you can see category in reverse order. Simply check this one, and now you can see our primary horizontal x-axis on the top, and our chart is aligned with the table data sheet. The next thing, we need to insert another series. So I will click on select data. We need to add a series. For the series name, I will simply type scatter chart, and for the series value, I will simply write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Since I have 5 rows of data, so I will define here -1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and simply hit OK. Now I will hit OK again, and here you can see another series which represent with a green line. I will simply click on this series, right click, change series chart type, simply click on this one, and here you can see scatter chart. I will click on this drop down, and we simply need to change the chart type to scatter chart and hit OK. Now you can see a single dot. Of course, you can easily click on this dot to select, but there is another way as well. If you are facing difficulty, click on chart, click on format. On the very left side, you can see everything about the chart. In this case, actual percent, maximum percentage, and scatter chart. I will simply click on the scatter chart, click on chart design, select data, click on scatter chart, click on edit, and here you can see we need to define x value as well. So I will simply click here and define 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We need to define 50 here and simply hit OK and hit OK. Now everything is looking good. But here you can see the max value is -6. Another issue, we need to also reverse these vertical x-axis order. So I will simply click on secondary vertical value x-axis, and now click on x-axis option. Expand this one. What is the max value? In this case, I will define max value -5. Hit enter, and I will simply click value in reverse order. Now our chart is almost ready. We need to do some more formatting. Click on this plus button and simply uncheck the x-axis of the grid line. The first thing we need to apply data label. I will click on scatter line series, click on plus button, and we need to apply data label, more data label option, and simply select value from cell and select all of data label column values. Simply hit OK, uncheck the Y value and also show leader line. Click on properties and here you can see warp text in a shape. Simply uncheck this one as well. And now simply go to home, increase the font size a little bit more, make it bold and simply choose the same font color for the label. The next thing, I will click again on scatter chart series, click on format and simply select no fill. For the shape outline, simply select no outline. Now I will go to insert. I will click on oval, click here. Make sure the height and width of the shape is totally same. Click on shape fill and I will select this dark color. For the shape outline, I will select the same color and now hit Ctrl C, click on actual series and simply hit Ctrl V. Now click fill and lines. Here you can see stack and scale width. Instead of 1, I will define 0.1, hit enter. Now I will click on my shape again, click on shape format. In this case, for the shape fill, I will simply select no fill and for the shape outline, I will increase the weight, let's say up to 6 point. Hit Ctrl C and click on orange series and simply hit Ctrl V. Click fill and lines and here you can see stack and scale width and define 0.1 for this as well. On the top, you can see we have series option. Simply click on this one. For the series overlap, I will select 100%. Keep in mind, we need to display here a total percent complete as well. So I will click on format. And here you can see plot area. I will click on this one and we need to leave a space for data label as well. Again, I will click on this drop down and simply select max percent. Click on plus button, data label, more data label option. Click on label option, expand this one, value from cell. In this case, simply assign actual percent column value and hit OK. Uncheck the value and show leader line. Click on home, make it bold, increase the font size and choose the same font color. Now we need to play with the chart. So what I need to do, if I decrease the width of the chart, look at the circle, it's going to perfect. And you need to play with them. Now everything is look perfect. What I need to do, click on format and simply assign the light gray color. I will click on the shape format and simply hit delete key. And we need to insert a round rectangle. Simply draw over the chart. Do a little bit adjustment. For the shape fill, simply select no fill. For the shape outline, I will choose, let's say 3 point is enough. Click again and choose the same outline color. Now do a little bit adjustment. I think if I make this data label color black, I can easily read those. So I will simply click on data label and choose the black color. And now our chart is ready. What I need to do, I will click anywhere and simply hit Ctrl A. Click on shape format. Here you can see group. And now my chart is ready. I can easily move this chart anywhere. And what if I change my value to let's say 45, hit enter, everything dynamically update.